Hello, are you washing our car?
Getting all the oil off.
You need to get out that degreaser and use it.
Yep.
You gotta keep this door closed, sweetie. Speak your mind.
There's the look of disgust. I don't like cities. I don't like looking for veggie in cities.
In
It's
Latin
crazy.
American countries, especially.
This is nuts. It's just nuts. There's tons of veggie. These restaurants have tons of veggie, but so they're picking it up every day. And then so now I'm trying to find El Centro, trying to find some more restaurants. But this is nuts.
And we're trying to find a bank.
And we're trying to find a bank, just not having any luck with anything.
And you just drive around and around. And when you do see something, there's nowhere to park.
Why is that movie outside? Huh? Because I never see the movie outside. But the bathroom's here.
Yeah?
So how is it? Mom, Atlas was
The
on
adventure! I love the adventure! That's what I love. That's what I love.
So,
I love the adventure. So, I finally got it. I had to run way down the street
go to a
to
different
find
bank.
a place that would finally
Exchange our money.
exchange our money! They did it. We got pesos. We're rich in pesos. Oh man, I had to run way down there to change my money. That was crazy. How much? Little park.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Check it out. It'll work. Awesome.
¿Está flojo? Apretar tuerca.
There we go.
We drove around and around and around for hours looking for the bank, the tea, and a lot of us are sick. Well, I'm sick. Others have diarrhea
That's why
too.
she's pointing the camera at me and
Yes, I
narrating
know.
too. And you see her when she's sick.
I
So
know.
she see me and say that she's sick.
So I'm having a rough time.
Yes, he does. So something happened to the truck.
We're backing
We were
up.
backing up, and we felt like I hit something. I don't know if it's the transmission or the brakes. But I was checking the engine oil, and it's low because I noticed we leaked across the road here pulling in. So
And the reverse.
we love adventure.
And the reverse broke. And so we stopped like that. Why are you doing that? I don't know why.
So the drum brakes in the rear have been grinding, so we gotta get those replaced. And the rear drive shaft's busted. Good news is we're near some shops that can help. Maybe. We don't even know where we are. My Life's an adventure.
So?
Looks like it's the differential, not the
Drive shaft?
not the transmission. So he's gonna bring something to lift up the back to spin the wheels and see what happens.
Okay.
Let's see.
What happened?
I guess this right here, that's how big it's supposed to be. And then I guess somehow when we were using this brake, it
Because
wore off.
the truck's up on a jack right now. It's pretty cool, these guys. There was a guy here that saw it happen, so he stopped another guy that was driving by, who then got another guy to come. And then this guy rolls up, crawls onto my truck, and starts working on it right here in the gas station parking lot. So, pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like that. I don't think I'd get that in the States. It's awesome.
Now we're never gonna make it to our friends. They took our thing. Oh no. This is bad. This is very, very bad. Well, they didn't take their tools.
I guess they'll be back, huh? Climb in the truck and put on your shoes.
I can't do Mom's gonna make the no-bake cake. I'm gonna make it into the shape of the cake. Of the cake. Of the cake.
Kitten's face?
Yeah, but barely you can see his face. Now you can see. Wait, no, all you can see is this part. Okay, can I just do it? Okay, what do we click? The middle button?
It's already going. He's eating guanábana.
Ven a poner gasolina.
Le gusta, huh?
Elijah, can you swallow the seeds alright?
Te voy a llevar un queso. Ahorita vengo. No me tardo. Tienes con qué calentar, ¿verdad?
Sí. Hey, hey, how about that, man? You're moving the whole
Con
thing.
estas, si quieres comer con puro queso para que ustedes no hagan el trabajo.
Ma, what, you like the cheese?
Qué bueno.
You like the cheese?
Sí, te digo, yo me vine muy contento. Mi patrón no quería que me viniera, él me daba tremendo esto. Muy bueno.
No?
Why? Look, I can too touch the knife
Nice.
to cut my cheese. Come on.
Is it done?
Where's the lid to this spray? Is it yellow lid? Find the yellow lid to this spray, please.
Move, Parker.
Come on. Come back. So, this goes down as one of those great experiences that happen with travel. You know, it's one of those things where a bad thing happens, but so much good comes out of it. We met lots of great people. Carlos was amazing.
Yeah,
I mean, he just
nice.
was here the whole time, and he told me, he's like, I wasn't gonna come, and I just felt something in my heart that I needed to come, and we started talking, and I just felt that we needed to be here, and he says it just worked perfectly, and he talked about, I mean, we were talking about how
pitch black.
you gotta feel with love instead of think with selfishness, and we just became friends, and we hit it off. He showed me pictures of his kids. I mean, just a great guy.
Gave
And
us two
he's a
big
dealer
blocks of
in
cheese.
German cheese, and he gave us 2 huge blocks of cheese. Gave us all
really
his
good.
guayaba, and just a great guy. Be a great guy. And
Atlas
we
says
just hit it
no.
off. It was awesome. And it just helped the tension. I mean, because I was stressed. I was tense. And this was hard. And he was here, he was feeding the kids, playing with them. And it just made the whole situation a lot easier. And another guy who was here selling shirts got us the best mechanic in town. And everyone said they're good mechanics and honest and good guys. They came, they busted their tails underneath our truck right here in the gas
Oh, he
station.
broke down.
I mean, totally worked their tails off into the night. And then he pulled out the bill, and it was 895 pesos.
Oh my gosh.
And I was like, man, all right. I'm like, hey, can I exchange you some parts I have, that you could take and use? He's like, nah. He's like, you know what? He's like, I think you're going to need those parts later on. You keep them and just give me 600 pesos, and we'll call it good. And 600 pesos barely covered the cost of the parts. It was awesome. And people are so good. People are so good. It was a great experience. Great experience. So, bad thing ended up being awesome.
Dinner?
Kai, can you get up?
This is our dinner tonight.
The amazing German cheese that was gifted us.
Yeah.
Where's
With these
I'm
big
making
tortilla chip
Can I
things.
do a video, please?
This is our camping spot right across from the gas station.
Probably has the longest day in their life.
The longest day.
Where's hey Kai, where's the dog pillowcase?